Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I've got the FRS, GT86, BRZ, whatever you want to call it. I just want to let you see what I'm going to do with mine. I got my 86 badges. It's looking so clean. Next, the lights. Tail lights, I don't like how they look factory, so I'm going to modify them. I don't see a lot of people doing this on YouTube. So I just wanted to make a little video to let you guys see what I'm doing with mine and what I plan on getting out of it. Fucking frozen light. So first thing I did was take the lights out, bring them in the house and heat them up, pull the lenses off, get the electronics out. One of them had a leak. I think it was leaking through here. So I'm gonna make sure I seal that up good. But got those off and cleaned them up, dried out all electronics, make sure everything was good, and went to paint the chrome. So put one coat on them and they're looking pretty good. It's a flat black high temperature paint, so this should be fine inside the lights. I got one nice even coat. I'm gonna try to get another one and see if they'll dry today. So much better.